In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Adaptive Brightness shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is green, which means that adaptive brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's white. You can also go into Devices Settings, hit Display and Brightness over here, and then use this switcher next to adaptive brightness to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!